Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share 2 caffeine eye roll-on recipes that will reduce dark circles, puffiness and wrinkles around the eyes very effectively. We do get caffeinated eye roll-ons in the markets, but we can easily make them at home. Caffeine-based eye treatments are more effective than regular eye creams because caffeine constricts blood vessels, which helps reduce puffiness very effectively. Caffeine also improves circulation, fades dark circles, and reduces inflammation. When buying coffee, make sure it is 100% coffee, as many coffee grounds have chicory added to them. If in doubt, buy coffee beans and grind it yourself at home. And make sure not to use instant coffee. The base for these 2 eye roll-on recipes are coffee grounds and green tea. Though green tea has got considerably less caffeine than coffee grounds, it is full of antioxidants that helps treat and prevent wrinkles around the eyes. Also, tannins and flavonoids present in green tea helps reduce inflammation, so it is equally effective. I prefer roll-on bottles as they are very relaxing and pleasant to use. We get empty roll-on bottles easily online, and I'll leave the link to all the products used in this recipe in the description box below. Take a tablespoon of ground coffee in a bowl. Now add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to it. Now let the mixture steep for 24 hours. You can leave it longer if you have the time. Strain the coffee mixture through a thin muslin cloth. Straining through a cloth will ensure that we get a smooth mixture. Now add an half teaspoon of cold pressed castor oil to it. Finally, add in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Now mix well with a spoon. Take a tablespoon of green tea in a bowl. Now add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to it. Now let the mixture steep for at least 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain the green tea mixture through a strainer. Now add an half teaspoon of cold pressed castor oil to it. Finally, add in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Now mix well with a spoon. After mixing, pour the contents in roll-on bottles. Both these under-eye serums will last well for at least 3 months at room temperature. To use, before going to bed, remove all makeup, pat dry, and then apply the serum under the eyes. Wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles will start diminishing very quickly with regular use. Since these roll-on bottles are so easy to carry, even if you're traveling, you can use it every single day. These also make great gifts. Just make sure to use pure cold press oils and organic coffee and green tea for best results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.